edit interactions in Power BI and scene slicers in Power BI, and also drill down, drill up in Power BI, also in hierarchies in Power BI. Very, very simple topics. These are okay. So first of all, let me get some data into the Power BI desktop and then we'll explain. Okay, fine. First, connect to SQL Server. So you can get data from anywhere, doesn't matter. So I'm checking dim date and dim geography, dim customer, and one fact internet sales. Okay, just click on load it. Import method. Detecting the relationships. See here. Observe what are the steps applied. Whenever we are loading some tables into the Power BI desktop, what are the steps applying? Those things we need to observe. Okay. So first of all, I am taking calendar year from the dim date table. Sales amount from the fact internet sales. And I want to keep this value into the x-axis. Okay, now I can able to see year wise sales amount. Okay, this is fine, and I am taking the sales amount in the card, single card. Convert to card. So this is the sales amount. Okay, and I will create one more visual. So there is a dim geography. Here in dim geography, there is a column English country region name. English country region name is nothing but it's a country name. That's it. Okay. And I'm taking sales amount from the fact internet sales. So country wise sales I'm taking. Okay. Then convert to table. Okay, fine. For better visibility, we can change the style. Okay. Now we have two tables. Okay. Two visuals, three visuals. This is also visual only. One, two, three. For example, if I select here one thing, Germany, so these two visuals also interaction. This is called interaction. If I select here Germany, so only Germany sales here by Germany sales only it is showing here. These are the values, and here also total Germany sales it is showing. Okay, so that means all visuals are in interaction mode. So by default in Power BI report, Power BI desktop in a particular page, so wherever you click, so automatically it will be in the interaction mode. So for better thing, what we can take is we can take the slicer. In the slicer you put whatever you want to. For example, you want to put English country region name or year, anything, whatever you want. Now I am taking English country region name. See here, this is the slicer, right? Okay, now what you can do is if you select France, all visuals are affecting. Okay, so if I unselect, as it is it will come. Correct. So this is nothing but slicing and dicing. So if you select in the slicer, So values will be filtered out, okay, in this particular page only. Okay, so in entire page, doesn't matter how many visuals in this page and all. So by default, this is nothing but interactive reports, also called as interactive. Power BI is a interactive reports, because if you select one visual, another visual also in the interaction. Okay, fine. For example, so there is a requirement. So you select any slicer. I don't want to change so I don't want to affect on some visual. Okay, for difference I change this one. Okay, so both are in same colors now. So for example, so you select anything in the slicer. I don't want to change this one, this visual country, this one, this visual I don't want to change. Okay, that is a requirement. Only these two are in the interaction. I don't want to keep this one is an interaction. So what is the option is, then you need to go to the view or something. No, format. Yes, here format, there is an option called, so I'm changing like as, okay, this is also fine for me, or you can change as drop down, it's better. Okay, fine. So there is a interact edit interaction options. So what you can do is you just turn on this edit interaction option. So once you turn on this edit interaction option, then you can able to see filters, none, filter, none, filter, none. That means, so if you want to filter this visual, you can keep as filter. If you don't want to interact this specific visual, then what you need to do is you can do, so for example, I am doing this one, none. I don't want to filter. You choose anything. Okay. Now see, I am taking Germany. So only values are changing in these two visuals. So it's not interacting. This visual is not interacting. Okay, fine. Now also this one. So also select this one. I don't want to interact this one now. Come here. Select Germany. None. Unselect first. Now see. Now select anything. This visual is not affecting. These two visuals are not affecting. Only this visual is affecting. Okay. Now I don't want to affect this visual also. I want to turn off for interaction for this visual also. Okay. Then what is the option? Where is that here? Format, turn on, turn off. So format, select the slicer or something. Format and edit interactions, turn off. If you turn off, it will go off. Turn on, this will come. If you unselect this one, so now filter, if you want to filter this visual again, just click on filter. Now select this one. Select France. So values are affecting in this visual. Okay, not in this visual because it is none. So this one also you want to filter, just click on filter. Now see, now values are changing. Now you select anything, Germany, values are affecting Australia, UK, See here. So you can able to see the difference now. So in this way, we can turn on edit interactions and we can turn off edit interactions. This is nothing but edit interactions. This is maybe they will ask in your reports. They will ask. They will give you the requirement. Without requirement, you don't know. You don't. How do you know? You don't know, right? Okay. So they will give you the requirement. So you just need to understand the requirement, and you need to implement this. That's it. So I'm creating one more page. So I'm turn off this one. So I don't want to keep this. I'm turn offing this. Okay. Okay, fine. Now it's fine. And this is a slicer, right? This is a and just take off this. Okay, and I want to keep some background color for better visibility. Slicer slicer header. For slicer header, just change this color. Okay, so for better visibility, I just change this one. Okay, fine. Now, so I will create one more page. So this is nothing but edit interactions. Okay, now we'll discuss about scene slicers. What is scene slicer? In the name itself it is there. Okay, fine. Now I am taking here English country region name and sales amount, convert to card or something. Okay, I'm changing the data colors. You may choose some different color. Okay, fine. This is the data color. Okay, then come here, and what I will do is the same card I will keep here. This is a card, right? This card, Control C and Control P. Copy paste. So the visual will be pasted in the same place. This is the option here. Control C. Delete. Control V. Yeah. Okay. So same location it will be pasted. Now, so see here. So I am selecting here Germany. Here data is filtering based on the slicer. What is the total sales amount now here? Before it was 29.36 M. Just remember this figure. I'm just selecting Germany. Come here. So here 29.36. Here total is showing. That means here data is not filtering. Correct. So if data is not filtering, if there is a requirement, so this is so we need to keep one slicer, but in the one slicer, if you select here, if you slice here, so that value will be should reflect in the overall report. Okay, so this is working in this page only. In this page only it is working. This slicer is working in specific phase only. If you come to new page, it is not working. But my requirement is, so there is a page, there is a report. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 pages. So if I select here Germany, so remaining pages also it should affect. So then what we can do is you just select the slicer, you just copy the slicer and you keep paste here. Same slicer you paste here. What happened? Control C and V. Yes. See here data also affected, right? It is asking one or more of the copied visuals can stay in synchronization with the visual it was copied from. Do you want to keep them in sync? Yes, I want to keep the synchronization. Is nothing but syn slicers. Now see. Now I am changing here Canada here. So here I am changing Canada. So Canada cells, this is also Canada cells 1.98. So if we come here also Canada, that means this slicer and that slicer, both slicers having in the synchronization. Okay. So now I have one more requirement. I want to keep one slicer in this visualization and I don't want to see this. So I want to work in uh, this slicer. I want to work across the report. Across the report means how many pages we have. So in all pages I want to work this slicer, but I don't want to see in every page. Okay. So I kept here. So in the first page it is okay, and I don't want to see this second page. I don't want to see this slicer, but if I select here it should be reflect on this. Okay, then what is the option means, then come here, select the slicer and come to view option. So there is a option called syn slicers. Here this is a visibility. So you want to turn off visibility. I want to turn off visibility. So in the second page I don't want to see this one. We landed in the second page now. So I am just turn off. Okay, and but synchronization should be it should be effect in the first page and second page. That's the reason why I keep synchronization. I just turn off the visibility in the second page. I keep in the first page only. Then you come to now that slicer is not visible. Okay, come here. Now I am selecting here United States. So what is the value? 9.39. And what is this? By United States it is changed. Okay, come here. So 9.39, right? Come here. See here. You can able to see the same number. Okay, 9.39. So you can see here United States we selected. So in this way we can turn off the visibility of the slicer. So this is nothing but syn slicers. What is the concept? Syn slicers. And home and select the visuals, format. I'm just turn on these symbols. Okay, for better understanding you can understood. Okay. So this is nothing but edit interactions and syn slicers. Okay. So I want to go for this desktop and save new folder, visualization, edit interactions and syn slicers. Yes. And one more concept, this is very very important and very simple concept. So wherever you go in the companies, they will ask interview, in interview point of also it's very very important, what is drill down and drill up in Power BI reports. Okay, when it is possible also they can maybe they will ask. Okay, so there is a before going to explain drill down and drill up, so first of all I need to explain what is hierarchies in Power BI. What is hierarchy? Anybody knows? Anybody idea about the hierarchy? Okay, any idea? Anyone?
Parent and child.
Sorry?
Parent and child relation.
Yeah, you can say. Yes, yes. Okay, fine. So, yeah, that also correct only. Turn off everybody. Okay, fine. So, hierarchy in the sense, for example, you take your family tree. Okay, first father will come. He is the top level in the hierarchy. Next mother, next level is the mother. Next level is the son. Next level is the sister. So kind of right. So like that it will come. Okay, so here also hierarchies is there when it is required means. So basically it is important whenever client want. Okay, so client want to see the information like you want to see, for example, you have created a visual, so year wise sales you created, but client want to see that information more detail. But for example, you want to see year wise sales and quarterly sales and monthly sales, like that you want to see. So such kind of scenarios, what we can do is we can create. Okay, so I will show that. You don't need to worry. Connect to SQL Server. Adventure Data Works. Gymdate and Fact Internet Sales. Just load. Okay, now see. So, so hierarchy is two types. Whenever you have date kind of things, for example, see here, this is a hierarchy. Full date alternate key is a hierarchy. So whenever you have date columns, so in the date column you have some like year, month or quarter, day. So such kind of information whenever you have, so what it will do is automatically it will create the date hierarchies. Okay, if you want to create custom hierarchies, that also fine, that also we can able to create. Okay, so for custom hierarchies, what we can do? For that we need to take some more tables. Okay, recent. I'm checking gym customer and gym geography also I'm checking. Just load it. Import. Okay, fine. Now when see, just this is a hierarchy symbol. See here, down it, date hierarchy, automatically it created. Okay, so just drag this here. And see here, full date alternate key. So top level is the year, next level is the quarter, next level is the month, and next level is the day. This is the last level. Okay, so this is nothing but hierarchy: year, quarter, month, day. So I want to see the sales. So sales, where it will be available in the fact internet sales table, there is a sales. Just keep here. Okay, now whenever you have hierarchy kind of data, so this is a hierarchy, right? Whenever you have hierarchy kind of data, then automatically these options will be enabled. Automatically what will happen, drill down and drill up options will be enabled. So that point you need to remember. See here, this is drill down, this is go to next level in the hierarchy, expand all levels. Okay, so first what you need to do is click to turn on, click to turn on drill down. You just turn on drill down. I turn on the drill down. You just go to next level in the hierarchy. So see here what it is doing: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So next level. So next level in the sense August. So month wise, month January to December. Next level is or days. Okay, 0 to 30 days. Now drill up means again back, undo. It will go to the, it will go to the day to month, and month to quarter, month to year, reverse order. For example, you want to go, you want to drill down in the specific year, then what you can do is you select that visual in the specific year. I'm drilling quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And in right click also show next level. You can do like this also in the quarter. Okay, and show next level. In the specific quarter, drill up means undo. That's it. If you turn off, turn off. That's it. So for example, if I am taking date column, so I am taking only full date alternate key. Now see, now we cannot see that information. Now we cannot see. Now there is no options here, correct? So whenever you have hierarchy kind of data, now I am putting date hierarchy. Now again you can able to see the information. So whenever you have hierarchy kind of data, then only drill down and drill up is possible. So hierarchies is one type. So whenever you have year, quarter, month, day kind of data, so Power BI desktop automatically it will create the date hierarchies. For example, you want to create one more hierarchy. So for example, I am taking one more table here. So I want to create a hierarchy. So custom hierarchy is called. So I want to create a hierarchy based on the English country region name. Here English country region name is there. Just right click and create new hierarchy. That's it. Nothing great. So you want to change the name, you can change. So you want to drag and drop in this hierarchy. For example, I want to keep this city in the hierarchy. And I want to keep that geographic here, this geographic key in the hierarchy. See here, hierarchy is created. I'm just selecting this hierarchy. And select any visual. No, sir. English country region name is that. You want to change the hierarchy name, just right click, rename. So instead of English country region name, I just put hierarchy, country hierarchy. See here, hierarchy name, change it right now, country hierarchy. Okay. Now I want to take sales amount from the fact internet sales. Now the sales amount I can keep here. Okay. So you want to take this visual matrix visual. This is also fine. Now you can see, now you can able to see. So what is the information here available? You need to turn on drill down, and this is go to next level in the hierarchy, next level in the city. Next level means geographically. By geographically I can able to see the information. You want to go back, then drill up city and states. So in this way we can use the hierarchies. Hierarchies are two different things. So date hierarchy automatically create the Power BI desktop. So whenever you have such kind of data and you want to create your own custom hierarchy, then you need just right click and create a hierarchy. Whenever you have hierarchy kind of data, then only drill down and drill up is possible. Next level in the hierarchy. So if you want to see the information, if you want to present the information very detailedly, then you will go for the drill down and drill up. That's it.